Hello everyone, welcome to Joy Cooking Show. Today we are making this recipe, okra seafood. This is the great okra, and this is oyster, and this is crab, and also this is salmon. I am making this salmon with okra, so watch out. And please, if today is your first time on my video, all I do here is cooking. So if you like my video, you can subscribe to my videos, and thank you all my subscribers, and God bless you. So let's make this quickie salmon seafood okra. We're just going to add the salmon to the pot. These are all the salmon. So right now we're going to be adding pepper mix. I made it with crayfish and pepper. Just going to add them. Those are the pepper mix. It's with crayfish and pepper. So right now I'm just going to be adding seasoning. This is seasoning, not too much, and a little bit of salt. That is it, and we let it cook, simmer for at least 10 minutes before we start with the rest ingredients. If you are new on my channel, you are very welcome, and please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show. Let it simmer for 10 minutes. So right now I have to take out the fish. This is the salmon fish. It's already cooked, so we have to take them out. See? After 10 minutes, so the fish is out. Right now I just have to add a little bit of palm oil, not too much, don't need too much oil. So right now I'm just going to be adding this okra. So this is the okra already mixed. Right now I'm just going to be adding this crab mix to it. So I add the crab. Just going to let the crab cook with it. But before then, we're just going to be adding seasoning, just a little bit of it. So we already have seasoning to the stock. A little bit of salt. That's enough. Let it cook. So right now we're just gonna be adding the oyster. So these are the oyster. Just add it to it. This is it. So right now I'm just gonna be adding the spinach to it. These are the spinach. Then we just add the fish. This is one of my favorite soup. So right now I'm just going to be adding the fish. This is it. These are all the salmon fish. These are all the salmon fish. Gonna let it simmer for at least another 2 minutes, then it's ready to serve. Wow, what a soup! One of the soup you will really enjoy. Wow, so good. Let it simmer for 2 minutes, then we take it down. Please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show. So this is it. Wow, this is, oh my God, I can't just wait to dive into this soup and really enjoy it. I hope you guys will enjoy this soup with me. So it's time to serve this soup. Thank you all, and please subscribe to my channel. Give this channel a thumbs up if you love what I'm doing here, and God bless you all as you subscribe. Thank you, and see you with another wonderful video again. Bye.